Hey everyone, this is Angus here, and today I'm going to give you a unboxing and review of these headphones from Puregym. So I bought this when I was in the gym, and they're actually really cheap. You can buy them directly from the vending machine. So starting with the unboxing, we have a travel case, and then we just have the headphones left over, so very minimal packaging. Because the ear tips point inwards, they do feel quite comfortable and they are quite good for running. Max volume is good, these can go quite loud. Clarity is quite weak and the bass is quite weak as well, but in terms of value, I'm actually very impressed. So because of the good value, I'm going to give these headphones 4 out of 5. So there is a really quick 1-minute review. Thanks very much for watching.